Oh, today we have started a little late, but we will complete our work. Okay, today chapter 1, that is real numbers, right? How much we have completed yesterday?
Till the question number 4.
We came on second chapter or first chapter?
First.
Okay, have you done this homework? Have you done this homework?
Yes.
Yes.
Homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we came on fifth number, right? I think everybody has done the homework, right, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes,
See
ma'am.
your homework on the desk. Yes, now show me your homework, whatever you have done. And keep your video on. So chaliye. Now we are going for the fifth question. Check whether 6 and 6 raised to n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number and right. So what will become here? We have to find out the factors of 6. So what are the factors of 6, 2 and 3? 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So you can write 6 raised to n is equal to 2 into 3 whole raised to n. Instead of 6, 2 and 3. Okay, and whole raised to n will come. So if written, okay. So if in the prime factorization of 6 raised to n, there is no factor of 5. 5 hai. If 5 is there, then it is a possibility to get 0. Right? 5 2s are 10. Right? So if is any factor in 5 is there, then only there is a possibility to get digit 0 for any natural number n. 5 and 2. 2 is there, but here 5 is not there. That's why we will not get 0 as a factor. So write down in a detail. I am dictating you. Just write down the reason. Okay, whatever I spoke. In the prime factorization of 6 raised to n, write it down in your notebook. In the prime factorization of 6 raised to n, there is no factor 5. 5 जैसा कोई factor नहीं है. There is no factor 5. Since by the fundamental theorem of, you all are writing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मैंने जो किया है वो राइट है, देखा.
First complete the fifth number.
फिफ्थ वाला ही है. मैंने किया है. इस नंबर